Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever this happens to arrive in your reality of now. Pull a card for us. No tongues. We talked about that. How about a card? Not all the cards, one card. Ooh, that one. It fell. Uh-oh, what happened? What happened? Boop. No tongues. All right. I can use this hand. Hold steady. Oh. Here we go. Ah, you're stuck. Hold on. Pick up. There we go. How's that? Is that okay? Sorry. Goose. Loyalty, reliability. Stay true to yourself. You will find outer peace by finding peace within. Can you say bye? Bye-bye. See you later. That's a new word we're working on right now. See you later.